Don't drink this too often because your family will think you are on Ozempic.
In a pot with 2 cups of boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Let it boil for 8 minutes, then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and drink it warm on an empty stomach. Cinnamon breaks down what has been sitting in your liver for years. Lemon forces your liver to flush it all out. In over 20 years of working with my clients, this is one of the simplest combinations I have ever seen for the belly. If you are from the United States and want to know a recipe 10 times more effective than this, follow me and comment how many pounds you want to lose to achieve your dream body.